Good morning, student. It is my 5th class and I am going to teach you न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। इससे पहले वाले क्लास में मैंने तुम्हें फोटोसिंथेसिस के बारे में बताया था। प्लांट प्रिपेयर देयर फूड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, and what are the four most important component of the photosynthesis? You can answer it. The previous class we have discussed it. You are getting the soil, carbon dioxide, water, minerals present into the soil, sunlight, and chlorophylls. ठीक है, आज हम पढ़ेंगे plants not only prepare carbohydrates, because the plants prepare their own food, autotrophs, they prepare their own foods. We are the animal which do not prepare our own food. We depend upon the plants. Almost all animals depends upon the plants. So आज की मेरी टॉपिक है जिसमें प्लांट सिंथेसाइज प्रोटीन एंड फैट्स। केवल प्लांट्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट ही नहीं सिंथेसाइज करता है, बनाता है सिंथेसाइज में, जबकि प्रोटीन और विटामिन एंड फैट्स। अब इसमें जरा देख लीजिए, प्लांट सिंथेसाइज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बाय द फोटोसिंथेसिस। ये पॉइंट्स मैंने पढ़ा दिया है, हमने पॉइंट्स वाइज लिखा है। प्लांट सिंथेसाइज कार्बोहाइड्रेट by the process of photosynthesis. लेकिन it also synthesizes other components of food such as proteins and fats. Plant synthesize protein and fats. Proteins and fats. Now, what is a protein? Protein are the substance contains nitrogen. What is a protein? Protein are those substance contains nitrogen. लेकिन क्या प्लांट्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को ले सकता है? नहीं ले सकता। प्लांट सिंथेसाइज्ड carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis, but plants will not take nitrogen from atmosphere. They require liquid nitrogen, soluble nitrogen. It is form of soluble nitrogen, and plant will take this soluble nitrogen from soil through root. ठीक है? It will be provided to the different parts of the plant by xylem, and these nitrogen are also will be taken by the plants through the roots by the process of osmosis. तो अब देखो, plants need nitrogen in soluble form. What type of plants need in soluble form? And soil has rhizobium bacteria. Soil has rhizobium bacteria which converts atmospheric nitrogen to water soluble nitrogen. Other component like nitrates. See the children, atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by the plants, but these nitrogen will be converted into the soluble nitrogen by the rhizobium bacteria which is present into the soil. So the soluble nitrogen will be available to the soil by this bacteria. Now, this soluble nitrogen in the form of nitrates, it will be taken by the plants. So, which is the main link to provide the nitrogen to the plant? That is the rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the soil, which convert the atmospheric, name the bacteria which converts the atmospheric nitrogen to the soluble nitrogen. It is the rhizobium bacteria. Water soluble nitrogen and the components like nitrates given to the soil. Apart from that, हम नाइट्रेट्स फर्टिलाइजर भी सॉइल में देते हैं, जो डायरेक्टली हम सॉइल में देते हैं. फ्रॉम दैट इट इज टेकन बाय द प्लांट्स. हम लोग केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर यूज करते हैं. फर्टिलाइजर आर आल्सो रिच इन नाइट्रोजन इज ए सोर्स. सो सोर्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन टू द प्लांट्स इज फ्रॉम फर्टिलाइजर यू गेट, बाय राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन यू गेट, that is a nitrogen fixation to the soil. Now certain plants like certain plants like mustard and sunflower convert simple carbohydrates, glucose, into iron. Which plants? Mustard plants, sunflower plants, which converts carbohydrates, that is glucose, into iron, which is present into the seed, which is present in the seed of these plants. The certain plants like mustard, sunflower convert simple carbohydrate, glucose, into the oil during photosynthesis. It stores them in seed. So मैंने जो क्वेश्चन जो जितना पढ़ाया, 8 point organism, plants also synthesize vitamins which are found in the vegetables, fruits and in cereals. ठीक है? तो आपने इस पार्ट को लिखा. Now you might have written it. Let me give you the questions. You will write the questions. Homework question number 1. How the plants get nitrogen? दूसरा क्वेश्चन, what is the function of rhizobium? What is the function of rhizobium? Rhizobium, B-I-U-M, Rhizobium bacteria. Third number question. How the certain plants are usually in production of oil. Question number 4. What is the source of nitrogen to the nitrogen and vitamins vitamins to the source of nitrogen and nitrogen to the plants. Name the plants which has vitamins. Vitamins. Students, we have done up to this part. I have completed my portion. Now we will go to the another part, that is a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, what is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition? अभी तक आपने पढ़ा था autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some plants which do not have chlorophyll. Here, some plants do not prepare their food. Why? Because they do not have their chlorophyll. ठीक है? They do not have the chlorophyll. They cannot synthesize their food like human. They cannot synthesize their food like they cannot synthesize their food like a human. Such not green plant depends for food on other green plants. Such non-green plants depends for food on the other green plants. This is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, question that heterotrophic mode of nutrition in which the plant do not have the chlorophyll. These plants are non-green plants. They not prepare their food like other green plant does it. They depends upon the another plants for their food. That is, a non-green plants depend for the food on the other green plants. It is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, ऐसे green plants जो नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स हैं दूसरे ग्रीन प्लांट पर डिपेंड करते हैं अपने फूड के लिए. Such plants are going for the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So my question again, question number 6. Because question number 6 को answer. What is heterotrophic mode of nutrition? हेटरोट्रोपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, ठीक है। ये आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर आपको कर लेना है, व्हाट इज हेटरोट्रोपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन। अभी बच्चों इस बात पर आपको डिस्कस करना है कि व्हाट इज हेटरोट्रोपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन। That is, some non-green plant obtain their nutrients from the dead or decaying organic matter of plants and animals. Such plants are usually white in color, have no leaves at all. So, up to here, you must do that. ठीक है, कल फिर हम एक्सपेरिमेंट और एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ हम ये क्लास कराएंगे. By the time you revise it all. This is my fifth class, given you little bit short. Okay, and thank you. We'll meet